Hi, I am Vishal Singhal, co-founder of CSSmartKids, a platform for training school children in artificial intelligence technologies. We train children in Python, machine learning and deep learning technology concepts of artificial intelligence. Thus, we believe we create AI superstar kids. In the video that follows, you will see what CSSmartKids is all about and how our programs work. Thank you.
Dear parents, is your child aged between 10 to 18 years? Are they curious about new technologies like Alexa and Siri or driverless cars? Do you want them to be the next generation problem solvers? At CSSmartKids, we work with kids around the world to offer world-class AI and machine learning courses specially designed for school-age students. CSSmartKids program by CellStrat AI Lab is a complete program to train your child in artificial intelligence. This course is divided into 3 phases. In phase 1, your kid will learn about Python, machine learning and will be introduced to deep learning. Phase 2, artificial intelligence product internship. Phase 3, continuous AI development program. Under this course, your kid will be trained by the team having combined technology experience of more than 60 years. The instructors have worked with companies like Oracle, IBM, Schlumberger, and AT&T. Kids will get hands-on learning with multiple projects. Course will help students to improve their presentation skills, creative thinking and logical reasoning. Let's see and understand the syllabus of this course, which is developed by our experts. In phase 1, your kid will be taught the basics of Python programming, which is one of the most versatile languages used in the software development and artificial intelligence applications. The syllabus includes, what is program language? Object-oriented language, introduction to Python along with all the basic functions of Python language. Your kid will get live classes, class video recording, programming demos, 6 mini projects as hands-on assignment, 1 capstone project, online quiz, CSSmartKids Basics of Python certificate by CellStrat, career counseling, and mentoring by CellStrat AI Lab experts. Your kid will also become a part of the exclusive CellStrat SmartKids community for further mentorship and guidance by our experts. After completing the Python, your kid will be introduced to AI and machine learning. In AI and machine learning, your kid will learn all the algorithms of the machine learning including data preparation, regression, classification, decision tree, unsupervised learning. All these algorithms will be taught to students with the help of live projects, so that they will be able to understand the topics in a better way. After the machine learning, deep learning will be introduced to students where they will learn about TensorFlow, perceptrons, how to train artificial neural network, multi-layered artificial neural networks, and image processing with CNN. Once deep learning program is successfully completed, the student will be enrolled in 6 to 12 months fully guided AI product development and deployment internship on Amazon Cloud Platform. The enrolled candidate gets mentored by our world-class AI product mentors who are developing industry-grade AI products on our Amazon Cloud Platform. This is an advanced program and is meant for only those students who have completed CSSmartKids machine learning and deep learning courses. They will be working on projects like COVID-19 detection with chest X-rays, sentiment analysis from text, detect key entities in text. Within this internship, students will also get a chance to present their products in the global webinar, and they will get access to CellStrat SmartKids Lab, which is one of the most innovative deep tech groups for kids. For more details, please visit www.cellstrat.com. You can reach us at contact@cellstrat.com or on the given mobile number.